All right, we're taking a trip to the Tesla shop. Here's the new Tesla. Congratulations, Derek and Tasha too. Hey guys, what do you think about your new ride?
It's sweet, yeah.
Hey, okay, show me a few things.
We're trying to log in on Netflix, but
It's crazy.
all the fun stuff.
Show me the
is-
horn.
Let's see. Horn. Okay.
Ready? That is awesome. Okay. How do you open the handle? Oh, I guess like that. Okay. White seats.
Yep. Are we crazy?
Yes. Ooh, I cannot wait to go for a ride. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Dang. That thing goes. Okay. You're not driving at all. The car's driving itself. Completely by itself.
Stop sign.
Hands off the wheel. Your feet are not on the...
It'll go on red if no one's coming.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's like literally turning itself.
It's so weird.
Will it let you punch it or will it?
It'll pick up speed. It won't do like I was driving, but it'll get up to the speed where the speed.
This is crazy. You're not driving it at all. The Tesla's just driving itself.
This is the first time. Super
Oh my
scary.
gosh.
To turn on the blinker.
We're going 65 now. Oh no. I don't want to die.
I don't want to
It's so crazy.
This is crazy. How fast do you have it set to on the interstate?
It'll go 5 over the speed limit. I think that's what I got it.
So right now you have it set to what, 75, 80?
So maybe I need to go up.
Okay.
So weird.
Okay, it's changing lanes all by itself. How did it know to change
It
lanes?
stays pretty good in the middle.
This stays really good.
Oh my
It's not
gosh.
like the Atlas was.
No.
This is crazy.
So if they start slowing down, it'll change lanes to get around and go up to the speed.
Look at you, your hands are on your lap. This is wild.
I should put it on aggressive and see.
Oh.
Shucks.
Okay, so you can put the lights and change them different colors through the interior. Crazy. Let's do pink. Yes. Here's Melinda. Oh, whoa! Jeez, that goes fast.
That was awesome.
A little more zip than the minivan.
A little bit more zip.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Does a light show.